Hi friends, I'm going to show you today how to display records from database by using entity framework in C# application. In my last video, I have shown you that how to insert a record into a DB by using the entity framework. So in this video, I'm going to show you today how to display the records from DB. Okay. So I'm going to show my DB. See, it is my DB. So it has 4 records called Rajesh and Kanna, ABC and sample. Okay. So it is my form design. Now I'm going to add a grid control. So I'm using div express control. So let's see how to bind this. So I have a proper name called GC student, and there is a view called G. Don't confuse with this. So I will show you that how to get the data only from the entity framework. Don't confuse with this grid. Okay. So let's make a common method to bind the record from DB. Let's make a name called private void get student. So within this, as usual, you get that name obj connection equal. So we need to bind that values. So in the entity framework, so we can able to get the record in 2 ways. So one is by using link queue, and then another way is called lambda expression. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get values by using lambda expression. Okay. So you get the obj connection that you can search the table name called tbl student or your record table name dot select select x. So when you use this arrow mark, so it is called as lambda expression. So x dot to list. That's all. That's the way. So this one is equal to select star from tbl student. Yeah. So in query we will pass this query. So in a framework we are going to use this only single line, this word only. So we need to bind this into a grid. So gc our grid control name data source. That's all. So we need to make this into list because so there is a list of record. So we are using this list of record. So it will be binded. So I'm going to call this function at the form load. Click on my form. I'm going to paste this. Okay. Now let's see how it works. I'm going to press my F5. See my ID and my name. So there is 4 record. I'm going to show my DB also. See, there is 4 record. So I'm going to now add a new record 56 added. So we need to refresh our form. So for that I'm going to get this function after this also. So when we add a record, so we bind the grid also. Now let's see how it works. See our new record. Now I'm going to show new record 256. See, it is the speed is more. Check the age. Click. See, there is 7 records. So I show my DB also. See, there is 7 records. Okay. So it is a very simple way to get the records from DB. So just a single line is enough to get the records. So make in mind that so when you use this X, so it will get all the records from the DB, all the field records from the DB. So by this we can able to bind the grid. So in my next video I will show you how to get a single record value and to